Hi, in this video, learn how to add a static page to your website. To add a static page to your website, navigate to website, templates, click on customize. So in the VD console, click on home and just scroll down and you can see this plus icon, click on that. So you'll see two options here, blank page and blank static page and dynamic page. Click on this blank page and just type a page name and then click on create. So a static page, new static page will be created. So as you can see, this is the new page that you created, and you can manage this page here. So you can just click on the page. So as you can see, a new page is created. So here you can add images, text, or other elements like buttons to the page and customize it. So this is how you can create a static page in VD, and you can create multiple static pages for your website. Thank you for watching.